Good evening. I'm Debra Reiger. Tonight I'm representing the Sacramento Chapter of the ACLU. That's the American Civil Liberties Union. I am going to read a statement without adding additional information. And you will have I think you all will have received a letter from our chairperson, Jim Updegraff, today or yesterday. Dear Mayor Johnson and councilpersons, a coalition consisting of the American Civil Liberties Union, the Mexican American Legal Defense and Education Fund, the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, and the Asian Pacific American Legal Center has filed a suit against the Support Our Law Enforcement and Safe Neighborhood Act, Arizona SB 1070, as amended by Arizona HB 2162. The suit argues it will essentially require police to racially profile and that it violates the Constitution. Further, it is an illegal attempt by a state to regulate immigration, which is a federal matter. Among the plaintiffs is a 70-year-old U.S. citizen of Latino and Asian heritage.
Can we get your final comment, please?
Yes. The Sacramento Chapter urges the City Council to adopt a resolution setting forth its disapproval and opposition to Arizona SB 1070. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mayor Johnson of the City Council, my name is Daniel Costa. I'm on the county and state central committee with Peace and Freedom and currently running in the 9th Assembly District. I was asked to make a statement on behalf of Peace and Freedom that Peace and Freedom supports immigration rights and opposes SB 1070. And then I'm allowed to say what I wanted to say because I didn't plan on speaking until I heard these other people saying what they had to say. As an American of Jewish heritage, I find it highly offensive. We are all descendants of immigrants, and it was immigrants that built this country. Also, an individual came up and talked about 1,500 National Guard. The number is 1,200. They don't even know what they're going to do with them other than a support role with the Border Patrol. While Bush and Cheney were recruiting Hispanics south of the border to meet their quota, the military quota, these illegal occupations of Iraq and Afghanistan, they promised them citizenship. Yeah. That did not happen. I would also take a moment to applaud the mayor and city council for taking the stand and rising up to this occasion.
Thank you.
I think the consensus of the council to our staff from a directional standpoint is to come back as quickly as practicable, but certainly within 2 weeks, and bring us a resolution that certainly renounces, condemns the laws in Arizona that we've talked about tonight, asking for their immediate repeal, and also instituting on behalf of the City of Sacramento economic sanctions, not only like those that are listed in the suggested resolution, but certainly taking a look at what other cities have done to complete menu, being mindful that we might not know all of the answers in terms of having the details about what it means for the City of Sacramento, but making sure the policy is in place. I certainly understand in terms of what Councilmember Cohn said that it may not be at this moment that we'd be waiting decades for the law to be repealed. I don't know that to be true. It certainly didn't work that way in the past, but as far as I'm concerned, an hour is too long for us to live with this injustice. So, for people who have to live under the specter of that law, literally an hour is too long. So, like I said, this is a national conversation which has turned into a national debate, and I think it's absolutely responsible and appropriate for the City of Sacramento to weigh in as it has. So I think that's the direction. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.